Hey everyone, welcome to your channel. In today's video we are going to download and install Debian on VirtualBox. At first we need to download our ISO file. Come to Debian site. From their site, download 64-bit or 32, depending on your system. You can also download live GNOME, XFCE, KDE, or other live ISOs, but we don't need them. So then open your VirtualBox. If you don't know how to download them, let me just first remove this. If you know how to download and install VirtualBox, the video will be appears up there, so you can download and install. From new, name it everything that you want. I write that Debian. It will automatically recognize it. Select the destination folder. Select your file. It will recognize your system. Be sure to enable this skip unattended installation. What is that? It will get your infos and will just straightly create username and your password. Select your base memory. 4 GB is the recommend, but you can select more. Processor, it depends on you. You can enable this EFI for special use. And from tab hard disk, you can select up to 2 TB of space, but it's for VM, you just need 20 GB. You can also change other values, for example, video memory, storage, audio, network, and etc. Start your VM. Press enter, graphical install. Select your language, your location, your keyboard. Let me fix this display. Your host name, I write VBox, VirtualBox, you can change it. Domain name empty, just continue. Select your root password. It is for sudo, I think, root password. Password was not so good. The enter password was not the same. Password again. Select the full name for this new user. I write Debian, your username. Select this user password, not that root password. Continue. Selecting bot. We have some options here. You can select entire disk, or you can select manual. When you are installing on your main computer, you can manually configure your disk, but we are on a virtual machine, so we use that entire disk. All files in one partition. It's removed for new users. These are changes that will be applied on your disk. Write this change the disk. You select yes, continue. It will take some time depending on your speed. if you want to scan for more media, another DVD, but we don't need this. Network mirror for configuring network package manager. You can configure them after finishing installing. So no, we don't want this for right now. Configure by running. There are some packages. You can configure all of them after installing your Debian virtual machine. So just continue. Here's our software selection part. You can select XFCE, XFCE, so hard, KDE Plasma, Mate, or GNOME. It's on your priority. Web server or standard system difficulties, just select them and wait for finishing select and install software part. Wait a little, and hey, you haven't subscribed yet, come on, subscribe this video and tell your opinion in comments. Installation finishes, you just select continue for restarting. Click on enter. You can enter your user password or sign in. This password will last. And boom, here's our Debian environment, and we have arrived until the last of the video. If you find our video useful, like it, comment below, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Linux and Debian videos. Goodbye, another video.